We have great news for sellers in Broward County. Please stay tuned to see what I'm talking about. Thanks. Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Astrid Sua with Capital Group Realty, and I'm here to give you the monthly sales report for the month of December 2019. Now remember that this report is provided to us by the Board of Association of Realtors. Now, the great news that I was talking about is that the demand is rising, the inventory is low, okay? It's a great time for sellers to list their properties. The median sale price in Broward County has increased from December of last year to December of the 2018 to $380,000. That's an increase of over 8%. Now, what is making a seller's market is that the inventory is low, and compared to December of 2018, the inventory has dropped over 16%. It is a great time to list and sell your home. We are your local realtors. Please give us a call. We will list that property, market it, and cause it to sell to make you take advantage of these great prices that we have enjoying now for the sellers. Now, other thing that is very important in this report to note is that the inventory, the supply of the inventory that we have is for 3.6 months, which is a decrease of over 4% from 2018. And the median sale price for that property to go to closing is 48 days. Remember now that Florida is the #1 state for people that are moving back to Florida after Texas. So now we have Florida again in the #1 place. Let's take advantage of all those buyers that are coming to look for property in our state, in Paradise, and get you sold to move to the next place, whether you're downsizing, whatever your situation is. 561-289-0323. Give us a call. We are here to help. Thanks.